Clearing your search history on Skyscanner can help you maintain privacy and improve your search experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open Skyscanner app. Launch the Skyscanner app or website on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account if you have one. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen, often represented by a profile icon or a menu option. Step 3. Find search history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. You may be prompted to confirm your choice, so make sure to proceed with the confirmation. Step 5. Refresh your account. After clearing your search history, refresh the page or app to ensure the changes take effect. You can now continue using Skyscanner without your previous searches being saved. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Skyscanner. Enjoy a more personalized and private browsing experience.